Double check lahat. Okay tayo? Okay, here. Thank you. Stand by for motor start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 motors. Good. RPM check. GPS good. Stand by for takeoff. Let's go. Good morning guys. We are here in Naik, Cavite. Sa seaside kami guys. So this is our first dagat flight sa ating hoverbike. And syempre kasama natin ang rescue power board para bantayan tayo in case na kailanganin natin. Ayan, thank you nga pala Torres Farm and Resort para sa pag-provide ng rescue power board. Konting update lang galing sa last na video natin nung lumipad tayo. Perfect na natin ang ating forward lever and hindi na din bumababa ang ating hover bike every time that we move forward. Solid na siya guys. Actually, yan, babaan natin ng konti. Tumataas pa siya dahil sumasalubong sa hangin. So the weather is very nice. It's only 7 a.m. or 7:30 by now. So napakaganda ng panahon para lumipad. And this is just cruising lang talaga guys. We are about, teka, ikot muna tayo. Ang bilis nito guys. Ang layo ko na, hindi ko man lang napansin. Ibang iba yung speed niya sa hoverboard. Yan, let's go down a little bit. Ayun, switch tayo sa lever. Ayan, kabisado ko na guys yung lever. Pagka ikot ko, madali na ako nakakapag-transition. We are cruising at about 55 kph. Mababa lang tayo, around 25-30 feet. So, enjoy lang talaga to guys. Cruise lang oh. Ang daming locals na nanonood sa atin. Nasaan na yung rescue power board? Umikot na yata sila. Binabaybay lang nila yung Naik guys eh. So this is our first open sea na test and solid siya guys. This is actually my second flight. Kanina iniikutan natin yung mga rescue power board. Ang bilis. I'm already here. Taka. Let us spot our landing. Yung nakita ko dito na pwede kong landingan, take off and landing guys, tingnan nyo, it's just probably 1 meter. Napakanipis lang, pero ganun ka-accurate yung hoverbike natin na kayang-kaya natin yan. So we'll take it down very slow and touchdown. Hey, that's it, just like that, we're back. That's good.